Next application of Nernst equation is Gibbs free energy and EMF of a cell. A galvanic cell converts chemical energy into electrical energy. When the cell operates, that is, the cell reaction takes place, it does electrical work by transferring electrical charge through an external circuit. The electrical work done by the cell corresponds to the decrease in the free energy of the system. Fill in the blank question. Always remember, when an electrical work is done by the cell, the free energy of the system decreases. There is a definite relationship between the free energy change for the cell reaction and the EMF. When the cell does electrical work reversibly, that is only an infinitesimal current is drawn from the cell. The free energy change delta G is equal to the electrical work done. That is, delta G represents the electrical work done by the cell. This gives rise to the following two possibilities. 1. When the free energy change delta G of the system is negative and the system does electrical work on the surroundings. That is case 1. This results in the transfer of electrical charge into the outer circuit, that is, the cell generates electric current. This situation corresponds to the operation of the galvanic cell to produce electric current. 2. When the free energy delta G of the system is positive, no electric work is done by the system. That is, no electric current generates. In short, when delta G is negative, electrical work is there. When delta G is positive, no electrical work is done by the cell. Suppose as the cell reaction occurring in a galvanic cell involves a transfer of n moles of electron, and suppose E is the EMF of the cell. Therefore, the total charge involved in the cell reaction is NF. First point. Now, NF coulombs, where F is the Faraday's constant, that is 96,500 coulombs. Hence, the electrical work done by the cell, that is, electrical work done by the cell is equal to charge of the cell into EMF. That is, electrical work is equal to minus Fe, because it is done by the system, minus NFE of the cell in joules. Therefore, work done by the system is taken as negative. That is why this negative sign. It is to be noted that the work done, that is electrical work done, is the maximum electrical work that can be obtained from the galvanic cell. Therefore, delta G, that is the free energy, is equal to minus NFE of the cell, where delta Fg represents the change in Gibbs free energy of the cell. This F represents delta Fg represents Gibbs free energy change. This equation represents the relationship between the free energy change and EMF of the cell. Derive a relationship connecting free energy change and EMF of the cell. This is the relationship. If the cell operates under standard conditions, that all the reactants and products involved in the cell reaction are in the standard state, we have delta G0, that means free energy change in the standard state, is equal to minus NFE0, because this E0 represents the standard state, where E0 of the cell is the standard EMF of the cell and delta G0 is the standard free energy associated with the standard EMF of the cell. In fact, the standard free energy change associated with the standard EMF of the cell. Another fill in the blanks. Standard free energy is associated with the standard EMF of the cell and is the standard free energy change for the cell reaction. Now, free energy change and equilibrium constant, another application of the Nernst equation. E0 of the cell we already determined that 2.303 RT by NF log to the base 10 Kc. Substituting the value of the E0 of the cell. E0 of the cell we already derived from here. That is delta G of free energy change is equal to minus NF E0 of the cell. Therefore, delta G0 E0 of the cell can be calculated from this. Substitute the E0 of the cell here. Then you get a value and rearrange the equation in such a way that what is delta G0? Delta on derivation, if you get this value, that is delta G0 is equal to minus 2.303 RT log to the base 10 log to the base 10 Kc. This is the final equation connecting free energy and equilibrium constant. Based on that also assignments can come or questions can come for the ISC examination. This equation expresses a relationship between free energy change of the standard state and equilibrium constant of the cell reaction and may be used for the calculation of the value of Kc provided the value of delta G0 and the value alternatively if the value of Kc for the cell reaction is known, a standard free energy change for the cell reaction can be calculated. Based on that, an assignment is given. Try to do applying the equation where whichever is required for solving this problem. Answer is given in the textbooks. After doing the problem, refer the textbook to see the answer.